5, 6. I have 1 red gumball. That's all we have. It's a very simple little process, what we're going to do here. 6 white, 1 red. 7. Thank you. We have a mathematician. Sir, is there anything else in that bag? All we're going to do is we're going to take the gumballs, we're going to place them right into the bag like so. Now, I'm going to ask each one of you to reach in without looking. Just grab 1 gumball, take it out, and put it right against your body. I don't want you to know what color you have. Once you reach in, take it out, put it right here. Either I or anyone else, including yourself, will know what color you have. Reach in, do not look at it. No one is looking. Close your eyes, put it against your body. You have one. Same thing, close your eyes, sir. Reach in. No one could possibly know, so you just grab 1 gumball, put it against your body. Are you okay? It's a lot of pressure. Close your eyes. There, she's in the bag. She has one. Do not look at it. Close your eyes, reach in. Just grab 1. All right, just grab 1. Here we go. Everybody just grab 1, correct? Got 1?
I grabbed 6.
All right, go ahead, grab 1. Right now, no one knows what they have. Sir, you have a very tough choice here. Go ahead, go for it. It's a rough choice. Do not look at it. Now, right now, they're all totally innocent. They have no idea. One of them has the red gumball. That is the guilty party. They do not even know if they're guilty. Imagine somebody planted something on them and they had to smuggle it across the border. They don't even know what they have. In a minute, I'm going to ask you to very carefully just bring your hand up a little bit. Don't let anyone else see what you have. Not yet. When I say go, you're just going to open up a little bit, take a little peek, and then you'll know if you have red or white, and put your hand right back down again. Omar, you ready? Right now, no one knows what they have, do they? There's no way anyone can know. In a moment, I'm asking you to take a little peek and put your right hand right. But do not smile. Don't make any face. Don't give away whether you have a white or a red. But once they look, one of them is going to be guilty. We'll see if you can tell who it is. Okay? Okay, ready? I'm looking away. Go ahead. Don't change the look on your face. Just take a quick peek and see if you have the white or the red. Everyone take a quick peek. All right, put your hand back where it was before. Right now, everyone has their suspicions. Look at them. Some of them look guilty before they even got up here. They all look very lovely, but only one of them has the red gumball. There is no way anyone can know. No way anyone can know. Except for Ruby, the Wonder Bird. She knows. I'm going to ask her to look into each one's eyes. The poker face. She has a slight little grip that she does on my finger. I'm able to tell. This one is guilty of something. I don't know what. What we do is she looks into each one's eyes. It's a process of elimination. Now, I bet all you guys have your suspicions. Some might think it's her. Some might think it's this guy. Look at him, he looks so serious. There's no way to know, but Ruby knows. And it's a process of elimination. Hold on a minute. Let me see something. Hold on a second. have to feel the fingers, I feel the grip. You. Open your hands, it's not you. Open your hand, it's not you either. It's neither of them. Hold on. Hold on. You can keep your hand open. Look at this one here. Open your hand, it's not you. It's not you. White. It's not you, open your hand. White. It's so open your hand, it's not you. It's either this guy or this guy. Look at their faces. See, now you guys can guess. Let me tell you something. You can guess, but Ruby knows. It's not you. It's you. Open your hand. These guys are making out of applause. Thank you. I'll take those back. What you've witnessed is the real deal. Thank you very much. All right, take a seat, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.